Jake, that's a big bowl of pasta there. You going to eat it all?
Yes, I am.
I don't believe. Is that the best thing on the menu?
Not sure.
What will you have next time?
Because I did better on the test.
Well, why did the other kids not get 4? Why did you get 4? Tell me.
Because I got better 40 points.
Yeah.
So like, the kids like, when they get 98, they get 2. But when the people get better 20 points, they get 1. So I got better 40 points and I got 98. Actually 30 something points. So it's kind of like close to 40. Because I got 1 to like 20 out of 17. I got 7. Actually, 20 points, right? I got 17.5 last one. So I did 98 this time, so it equals 19.5 points.
Good job.
I normally,
thought you were doing like FaceTime with somebody.
I normally drink the drink when I'm walking down. Then when I get to the rubbish bin, I just finish it.
Yeah.
I just not that close, but pretty close. Because I got better 20 points on Chinese. So I don't need to do any Chinese homework. Bye-bye. And English, I could have not done it, but well, I did it.
Okay.
That's good.
But just some reading.
Do some reading. Maybe we'll do some reading later, okay?
And well, the math, there's only 2 pages. I was like,
And now you got all weekend to do what?
play.
Yeah. What are you doing, Dave? Jake? What are you making, buddy? Looking good. What about these tomatoes? Jake, is that like Nano's sandwiches? Do I need to get some milk as well?
No, thank you.
Good morning, what are you doing? What are you doing there, buddy? Making French toast? Wow, looking good. Jake's making French toast, aren't you, buddy?
That's good.
Good job. Here's your first beer, Jake. Are you ready for one more? Good job. You're a man now, right? How old are you? 9. And did you win your dad at poker?
Almost. So we end?
Yeah.
You won. At the whole of China, I am the only one in the whole school that likes blue cheese. And when I mean whole school, I mean whole school. A blue cheese pizza.
Wow.
Blue cheese pizza.
My dad and his friends ordered a blue cheese pizza. I finished. Because our kids had a yellow cheese one, so I only had 1 or 2 pieces. Then the children just finished it. So I asked my dad, I'm still hungry, and he said, have a slice of blue cheese pizza. I have it, it was very yummy. I like other things, but noodles is the only one that I could have for those three things.
Right.
Because you can have it for breakfast, but
Yeah.
I don't want to have it. Lunch, I can have it like that. I normally only have bread things for breakfast, apart from.
So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.